Well, for most of its existence, Moderna was not a successful pharmaceutical company. The company had never developed a drug or distributed a product, and that changed, like so many things, with the coronavirus, when the U.S. government gave Moderna more than $2.5 billion of tax money to research and produce a vaccine for COVID. And that completely changed everything for Moderna. As the stock market tanked in early 2020 and millions of Americans were out of work because of lockdowns, Moderna was thriving. Its CEO, Stephen Bancel, became a billionaire overnight. Pretty good on a government contract. The company went on to make tens of billions selling the coronavirus vaccine that taxpayers paid to develop. At its peak, more than 2 years into Corona, the company's stock price had increased by over 2,000% as compared to its price before COVID. So it's pretty clear it is in Moderna's interest to get people vaccinated every year. Why wouldn't it be? If Moderna can't sell its only product, a product that doesn't work really as advertised, the company will not do well. So the Biden administration is pushing this. COVID is like the flu. That's what they're now telling you. So you'll get a shot every year, really whether you want one or not. And now that Moderna has helped establish that standard, the company is planning on quadrupling the price of the COVID vaccine. Oh, who's going to pay? Well, you, through Medicare, Medicaid, and other U.S. government programs. You're going to be paying 4 times more for a vaccine that you helped pay to develop. But it's not just the taxpayers who helped Moderna apparently invent the vaccine. Last year, 2 companies, Genevant and Arbutus, sued Moderna for patent infringement. We can't say the truth of this case because we don't know. But those 2 companies allege that Moderna illegally used their technology to develop the COVID vaccine. If Moderna were to be found guilty, the company would have to pay royalties on tens of billions of vaccine sales. So consider this. Moderna is now trying to effectively rip off the taxpayer by hiking the price of this vaccine. It's in trouble in this suit, and now the Biden administration is stepping in to protect Moderna. Thanks to the U.S. Attorney in Delaware, David Weiss, that's also the guy who's supposed to be investigating Hunter Biden but doesn't seem to be, Moderna may not have to pay anything. That's because Weiss is trying to put taxpayers, you, on the hook for Moderna's alleged patent infringement. You see how this works? Not only did American taxpayers pay to develop the drug, not only did they make the guy who runs the company a billionaire, now you might be on the hook for bailing out Moderna if it's found to have stolen patented technology. Wow, is that a scam?